remember when we come 2016, how long did it take motor transport from Ugbo to Ugbo? Una remember?
Yes, sir.
Una remember how the road be?
Yes, sir.
Every day we must go mechanic.
Yes, sir.
We still dey do am today.
No.
Una know how town rough that time.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere, everybody want take something from una. Today, town not quiet.
Yes, sir.
I don't tell Edo people. The old money una still dey use am. Make una hear? The old money na legal tender till December this year. Na so Supreme Court talk. So any petrol station wey don take old money from una, let us know. We will close them down. Everybody for market, old money, new money, na the same. Make una dey use am. Is that clear? Yes, the suffer done too much. So that Saturday own, we understand wetin happen. We no dey deceive ourselves. Who first talk about obedience for this country? Don't be me. Yes. I say I'm dey come, I tell them they don't hear that time. But that one don't pass. That's na national election. The one when they go next Saturday, na our own. Now una own.
Yes, sir.
Now how to send our people to House of Assembly when they go represent us. Una remember what una do for us the last time. Those ones when una elect, una know wetin happen. They say when your own election come, you go see. True. 2 weeks after, we do our election. Not be 24 over 24 una give us. 24 over 24. And we get. How many remain today? 10. The rest 14. They follow Godfather, go enter bush. Now they vex, they say they won't come back. When I go let them? No! People want to give mandate to the waka comot. No respect for now. Now they say they want the mandate, they come House of Assembly. Which House of Assembly? I mean the one when we don't rebuild though. Remember that time when rain when they fall, when everything scatter, when I help me remove the roof. We don't rebuild that. Everything don't fine. They say they won't come back. Wait till we go tell you that today. We say, coming Saturday election, our own. We must do them as we did do before. Now I get chairman of NLC. Not the same people that talk to yourself. Now have to go out to talk to others. We don't want scatter again for Edo. We want peace. People never do election. They say when they enter the house, the first thing they will do is to impeach the enemy. They be better people. No. They don't deserve to reach there. And by the grace of God, we're not going to let them reach there. So this afternoon, I said, we see now. Let me talk with you. We not say everything perfect. The one when we don't do is small compared to the one when we never do. But one government not finish everything. One government starts, do one well, prepare them, the next person take over, take them to another level. Now so progress they come. But when one do, another come reverse everything when that one do. We go make progress?
No.
To let you know, before you come, 2 hours ago, we have had meeting on our own. And then we have discussed excessively. We have put machinery in place. The other is that any of the branches chairman who still want to remain as a branch chairman, he must bring the result of his unit to me. If he did not win his unit for PDP, he has to go. Any unit chairman who did not deliver his unit for PDP, he should not come to work the following day.
Soli, 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 solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight forever. They look for our trouble, Abi. But you know, say our governor don't talk, say Edo must be peaceful. And we must do things digitally, Abi. Our people now, they know they enjoy us, so some of them are fine. Those days that they break to collect money, when they break people's glasses, when they break people's side mirror, they do like that again. Our people not happy. We're gonna clap for ourselves. Today, they call now Agbero now. But before they call now. So will not be digital waiting now. We're gonna just clap for ourselves again. Now, other states they come ask how we do them. Now we gonna teach other states. But I don't become teachers now. I don't wanna clap for ourselves again. So this challenge, all the good work where our governor they do. But I want to make it continue. But I want to make it continue. If the Jews will continue, we need House of Assembly will be our own. If they bring us foreigners, not the one that will start. So, when I want foreigners,
As you know, Edo na the transport headquarters of Nigeria. From north, they come Edo. From east, they come Edo. From south, they come Edo. From west, they come Edo. So now here, now be the center. Now here, everything they meet. So we must organize our transport here. So I want thank you now. Say una help me with deputy governor organize as it be. This thing one that don't do must continue. It must continue. We not say una know what it could do. And do now on our own. We want it to be peaceful. We want progress in Edo. For us to have progress, we must have a House of Assembly that will work with the government. Not be say, governor they go one side, House of Assembly they go the other side. And this time, we don't find people who are ready to work for us. I mean, what are we soldiers? And you know say, when you get woman, you get mama, you get sister, they're not the shake. They're not they leave you. That's why the candidate when we get to represent Una for this part of Oredo, I bring that comics. They come, make a salute Una. Where was it? Now these two people, one for my left, one for my right, they must represent us for this Oredo. Make them take salute Una. Make them thank Una for what Una don't do already. And thank Una for what Una will do on Saturday. It's my pleasure to introduce, by the grace of God, the incoming member of the Edo State House of Assembly, representing Edo West. Isosa Amadasu. Na real doctor, not be native doctor, na real doctor. Representing Oredo East.
His Excellency, before now, the executive and the members of this association
They've held a meeting and they all have agreed that your chongo is their chongo. His Excellency, when you are tying road in our district, you are working for Tipper Drivers Association. Breaking down of vehicle every minute, every second, it is nothing of the past. All Tipper drivers, His Excellency, you have the union in your palm. We must commend you all that you have been doing in the state. 36 states across our nation, Nigeria. No governor has ever done what His Excellency has done. We know how the last election played. We know what happened. Despite how we tried our best, but it was not avail. On this one, the State House of Assembly.
24/24.
Without fear or favor, the Tipper Union across the state, they are with you.
The wives of the members that were lost and their children, they were sitting on this sofa. So I don't think I can start talking to you without remembering them.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
May the souls of our departed members rest in peace.
Amen.
Thank you. Sit down. Up Tipper drivers! I come here today to say, look, what happened on the 25th? That one don't pass. The only person who don't get sense, they don't see what they come. Abi? Yes, not be wahala to buy food now. Fuel Luko. Diesel. I say the money, when I small money when they back, when I figure down. All that not reach when they vex person. When I vex, I was justified. So, the one when they come on the 18th, now our own. That one is very, very important. Because they say every politics is local. If you not do local government, you not be do states. If you not do states, you not be do federal. So every politics now home in the start. That's why this one of March 18 now our own. If you go wrong, everything will go wrong for us.
Yes, sir.
Abuja don't figure help us for that. The people when one come, when they fight, first, these are people when we been sent go there before. When I remember what happened 4 years ago, when I come back, I say, I beg. That time I did the other side. Make una help us vote for Buhari. Una say lie. We not do. We not agree. We vote PDP that time. When I did say they say when I say governor, this not be your election. Left the matter. What so that tell me? Then when House of Assembly election come our own, what should I do? Should I give me 24 over 24? I give 24 by 24. The people when we elect, they come house. Let me say they run away with the Godfather. These same people when run away with our mandate, they say they won't come back. Come to say that. We're not gonna let them. No. As the wicked rich, they never even do election. When we get there, our first order will be to impeach their enemy. They never do election. They say when they reach, the first thing they go do is to impeach the enemy. They be better people. They don't say people go bring. Because they don't get good mind for us. They never ever sit down to say, okay, now this we go do. Okay, now this one government never we go do this one. They never talk that way. Now how to come disrupt them and their Godfather? They don't start to the higher talks. We say make them be careful because they talk not strong with our own.
At all.
Tiger and lion they say dem get abi. Abi una case still dey there. Case still dey. Wetin we come do to come thank una for wetin una don do. Thank una say where we dey go still far. The one wey we never do na still plenty pass. We need peace. Make we quick work. Una not like the peace for Edo State. By the grace of God, in another 2 weeks' time, we'll come. I'll bring una. Now, go do one for me. Lay the foundation of this new Temboga road.
People for our chairman. You see, when our chairman they talk, they tell us what this government don't achieve. As I see they talk, he just they sweet me, just they talk, he just they go, he don't repeat anyone, just they go, just they go. If you give her a chance, till tomorrow if I just they talk and they go. Yes, I don't want to clap for our chairman. Because he got some people when they don't put for inside town. They say when they go, they talk lie up and down, maybe they deceive people. But when I hear my chairman talk, that talking talk, it's supposed to go viral. Because that one don't cancel all the nonsense in Yamayama when they talk. Yes. They build road for your area. Somebody come talk say they don't build the road. The person know they crazy, they crazy. Yes. So this election as governor don't talk so. Now state assembly election, our own state own. Yes. Now those are the House of Assembly before. I know when I did that. Yes. That House of Assembly, if now want all the good things where our governor they talk, as chairman talker, make it continue. Yes, that means we must vote PDP. We must vote what? PDP. And the people wey we don't check for PDP say they no go run away. And they will join our governor to continue that name we wanna give am. Which name we give our governor? Make us see governor. The first one. Now, doctor. This doctor now better doctor, real doctor, original doctor. Original. And not the same now only doctor alone, now mother. Yes. Now know what's mother do. Now know how mother do. She be doctor, Isosa, and Madaso. Already know West constituency in the state assembly. Yes.